Hi everyone, my name is Michelle McIntyre. I am fairly new to the program and I live near Ocean City, Maryland. I'm currently a social worker and eventually will be working towards my LCSW. So jumping to the last question for the introduction video is what excites me about the syllabus, and that would be probably the part that talks about the licensing, the clinical social work. I'm excited to know more about that. My experience with learning research, I have to say that I am quite lacking in that area. I was going to take this course first, but scheduling conflicts didn't allow that. So I'm probably going to struggle a little bit, but hope to learn a lot. What would make learning research fun for me? I think, as with anybody, it's topics that you're interested in. Maybe finding new ways to research them. Sorry, there's a fly in here. As I said, I am a social worker, so I'm hopeful that a lot of this content will be directed towards specifically social work, as I'm sure it will be. So I am definitely interested in that. I look forward to learning, how to go about citing things the right way. I feel I struggle with that, and I do look forward to the group project a little bit. I'm not big on group work, but I did choose the Child Protection Agency because that is the field that I work in now. So I'm a little excited to see other people's perspectives on that. So I look forward to working with all of you and watching your videos. Thank you.